Alright, so this is a demonstration of the Axiom AR8 Pro CNC machine. Has a 2x4 bed. Got a wall mount dust collector, 1 horsepower. That's a HEPA filter down to 1 micron. Dust collection, little runner up there to follow the gantry, which is that thing. I went ahead and put a custom bed on this machine since I've decided to use a master template, meaning I nested all of my hand-drawn designs onto the bed dimensions, which is 2 feet by 4. It's 3 original bodies and a neck blank. I primarily purchased this with the intent of cutting out from laminates just the basic 2-dimensional bodies and the neck profiles. Here's an example. I got neck profiles over there. Let me zoom in. Oh, let's see here. So I've imported these designs, digitized them, and the machine will be cutting those out for me on average between necks, bodies, and tops. This machine will remove all the material I do not need for an instrument and save me approximately 25 hours per week of just hogging off material and getting down to squared pieces that I need. So I'm going to do a fly cut now. Fly cut meaning I've already done one pass there. Fly cut takes off about 0.5 millimeters of the bed surface. The reason for doing a fly cut is to make sure that your work surface is perfectly square to your spindle and your router for accuracy. This is also considered a spoil board as well, so if you do any through milling where the bit's going to go all the way through your work material, you burn up the MDF board rather than your extruded aluminum table. Again, I took the MDF strips off that came from the factory and went ahead and drilled all these holes, recessed them a 1/2 inch with T-nuts that came with the machine, and locked it down. So I've got a full 1/2 inch of wasteboard before I'll have to consider putting a new table on here or refacing it. So let's do a fly cut here. I'll walk you through that and then take you upstairs, turn on the computer, and take a look at the templates and some CNC simulations that I've worked up while learning and getting this machine up and running. So hold tight.